let's get it over, and so I just want to review on exact today, first 2 packs I've ever got. You ready? Lego Batman minifigure series. Where are the scissors? I had scissors. Where are they? Oh, well, they're gone. Never mind about that. Anyway, let's take my coat off. Got 2 of them. I have had a feel, and yeah, I'm not really impressed with them. I mean, I'm impressed with the packs, but I've had a feel, and I think I've got like him and Calculator Man. So let's just get right into them. So let's get right into them. Right, here's a little manual. This is the first one. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. So I actually really wanted the ones I really wanted were these are all the figs. Oh, my light's off. Why is my light off? I just turned it on. God damn it! I just broke my bloody mock. Sorry about that. These are all the figures. I really wanted Lobster Love and Batman and stuff like that, but I think I've got some bad figs. Not very rare ones. Yeah, I was right. I'm sad. Why am I sad? Because it's this guy. I really didn't want him. I mean, sorry about that. It's just a stupid battery thing. I didn't want him, but I got him. So yeah, I'll put him together, and you'll see him at the end. I really didn't want him, but he comes with red cape. That's pretty cool. He's a rubbish figure. Absolutely rubbish. Oh, I guess I have to be happy. Just sometimes people have to be happy with it, the stuff they get, even if they don't like it. There's more. Okay, here's some silly snake. Okay, so I'll give you a more in-depth look at them at the end. So there he is. Alright, next one. I have a feeling that they're not all going to be fantastic, but they could be all good. Probably. Probably not. Possibly. Possibly. Silly instruction thing, and it's, yep. I freaking know, I hate this guy. He's absolutely rubbish, man. I mean, I just... Hello. Oh. Well, here he is. I really don't like this guy. I mean, oh my god. Well, anyway. Here's this cool calculator piece. It's quite cool. That is very useful for like calculators in Lego. That will be useful. Very useful. He doesn't come with a gun or anything, does he? No. That's a bit stupid. So there he is. Right, now let's take an in-depth look at them. Okay, so first off we have Calculator Man. I actually really like the helmet. It's really nice. And if you turn it over, it says hello. So that's quite cool. Like he used like the 4 and stuff. It's a nice printing. And then there's the face. Sorry for the graphics, it does not focus on this computer, so you're gonna have to excuse me for that. There's the body. Got dual molded legs. I actually quite like this guy. I don't like the other guy, but I actually like this guy. A lot of pieces on him are useful, like the helmet is very nice, and the armor is useful for Mr. Freeze because it's white. So there's Calendar Man. Now's the guy I just don't like. He comes with some stupid snake stuff. I mean, and then yeah, comes with a green snake. Yeah, I don't know. This guy's quite cool with the legs. He's got dual molded legs. And the cool thing about this is both his legs are dual molded, but look, they're different colours on each one. So on this one, on this leg it's red up there, on that one it's white. It's quite cool. That is. I like their helmets, quite nice. I like the torso as well. It's just, I'm not really into like these ancient Greece stuff things. I'm more into a proper like Joker, Batman, like the proper DC superheroes, man. I'm into them, not these silly guys. But I am collecting these stands for the new minifigure series. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this big old base plate, and what I'm going to do for each one is I'm going to put the stands on like that. Just like that. Now I can have them on the stands. Wait, hold on. First I need to have a look, see what all the numbers are. Blimey! This guy's rare. This is the second rarest. He's 19. This is the third rarest. Wow. So I guess I'm going to have to put them... So they're 4 each. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oh god, I'm just going to keep it like this. So the ones I got first and then the ones I got last. God damn it, I hate this stupid snake. Wait, I think I can I? Is it? There we go. It's a bit awkward that Calendar Man doesn't even come with an accessory. It's a bit awkward, man. I mean, really every minifigure should come with a weapon or something. Not Calendar Man, Kite Man. Not Kite Man, Calculator Man. I was like, not Calendar Man, Kite Man. No, I was like, oh, no. This video's gone on for 8 minutes. After this, I'm probably just going to watch some YouTube, You know what I'm like. Okay, so if you haven't looked at it already, there are the top 5. I really like Lobster Loving Batman. Probably my favourite. Really liking the ballerina Barbara Gordon. Lovely. Joker as well. Quite liking Red Hood. Quite liking Catman. Looks pretty sick. God, man. Catman looks sick. Oh, we haven't had a look at the back yet. Okay. Pretty nice. Oh damn. That's cool, man. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So those are the 2 minifigures got so far. Really loving this, and I'm gonna keep it up. I've actually got quite a lot of the new villains. I've got like 1, 2. I've got 4 of the new villains. So. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Also, I'm going to be 10 parts because I'm going to be opening 2 packs in each video. So yeah.